Hi, grade twos. So today we're going to learn how to compare numbers. So now that you've got to play around with numbers a bit and learned what the ones place means, what the tens place means, and how to complete puzzles with the two-digit numbers in the hundreds chart, now we get to compare numbers. What does it mean to compare numbers? Let's take a look. We compare numbers with the words less than, greater than, and equal to. What do you think those words mean? What do you think less than means? What do you think greater than means? And what do you think equal to means? Let's take a look. We use equal to when the numbers are the same. So looking at these numbers, 34 and 34. 34 is equal to 34. So that means 34 is the same. We use less than when the first number is smaller than the second number. So 34 is less than 65. And we use greater than when the first number is bigger than the second number. Well, there's no example here, but let's say if 65 and 34 were switched, 65 is greater than 34. So let's put the following phrases to compare these numbers. And if you need a little help, you can always use a hundreds chart to help you. So I'm just going to unlock this so I can make it bigger. Move these guys up. Make this a bit bigger for us to see. Okay, so 45 and 12. So here's 45 down here, and 12 is all the way back here. So 45 is greater than 12. That's right, because if you look at the hundred or the tens place, 40 is bigger than 1, or 4 is bigger than 1. 40, yeah. 25 and 75. So 25 is here, and 75 is way down here. So 25 is less than 75. And 90 and 90. 90 is equal to 90. They're the same. Right, grade twos? Good job. Let's keep practicing. So let's put the following phrases to compare the numbers. So again, you can use a hundreds chart to help you to see where the numbers are in relation to each other on the hundreds chart, okay? So you can use that hundreds chart on the Google slide, the interactive one, or you can use a printed one. All right, let's get started. So 25 is and 32. 25 is less than 32. That's right. So that means 25 is smaller. 22 and 22. 22 is equal to 22. They're the same. How about 43 and 42? This is kind of tricky because they're really close together, but if I look at their tens places are the same. So let's look at the ones place. We have 3 and 2. So 43 is greater than 42, but not by much. 89 and 98. 89 is less than 98. You got it. And 25 and 26. 25 is less than 26. You got it. So you had to look at the ones place to compare those two because the tens place were the same. And 30 and 30. 30 is equal to 30. That means they are the same. Awesome. So this is Charlie the crocodile, and Charlie the crocodile loves eating numbers. However, Charlie is a very fussy eater. He only eats the biggest number he can see. Here's a trick. Would a hungry alligator rather eat 7 fish or 4 fish? He would rather eat 7 fish. So we kind of use this symbol in math. We'll talk a little bit more about it in a moment. But Then we read the comparison the same way we read our name, from left to right. So 7 is greater than 4. Okay? So if you have two numbers, we read it from left to right. Okay? 7 is greater than 4. All right. So now you're going to watch this video on the Google Classrooms on the slideshow. Or you can watch this after. You can watch this. You can pause my video and go watch that. But this is a great video. All right. So now we're going to use the symbols. So the greater than, the less than, and the equal to. Okay. So the first one is done for us. So 32 and 56. So which one's bigger? So which one would the alligator want to eat? A hungry alligator would want to eat the bigger one. So we're going to use the less than symbol. So we would read this. 32 is less than 56. Less than. There we go. 43 and 43. 43 is equal to 43. Is that right? Yep. 23 and 76. So these are two different numbers. Which one would the alligator want to eat? The bigger number, that's right. So again, we're going to use the less than symbol because the first number is smaller than the second number. So you would say 23 is less than 76. 88 and 31. Which one's bigger? Which one is the alligator going to eat? This one, that's right. So we have to use the greater than symbol because the alligator is going to eat the bigger number. So 88 is greater than 31. 70 and 90. Which one is the hungry alligator going to eat? A crocodile. 90, that's right. So we're going to use the less than symbol. 70 is less than 90. And the last one, 78 and 52. Which one will Charlie the crocodile eat, or the alligator? He's going to eat 78. So we have to make sure the mouth is facing that. So this time we use the greater than symbol. So 78 is greater than 52. Good job. Okay, let's do some more. 15 and 12. Which one's the alligator going to eat? So now we're going to leave the little alligators just to help us, but these are the actual math symbols because believe it or not, in math, we don't actually draw little alligators. They're just there to help us. Yeah, 15. He's going to eat 15. So this says 15 is greater than 12. 77 and 77. 77 is equal to 77. Good job, grade 2s. 56 and 79. 79. So we're going to use the less than symbol because 56 is less than 79. Good job. 34 and 10. 34 is bigger. That's right. So we're going to use the greater than symbol. 34 is greater than 10. 58 and 58. 58 is equal to 58. They're the same. Good job. 94 and 100. I think the alligators going to eat the 100. So 94 is less than 100. Remember, that mouth is always opening up to the bigger number. 35 and 53. 35 is less than 53. And 23 and 32. That's right, 23 is less than 32. Awesome. Alligator, alligator, are you ready for lunch? Look for the bigger number and crunch, crunch, crunch. So now it's your turn to go and compare numbers using the greater than, less than, and equal to symbols. Have fun, grade 2s, and thanks for helping me out. Thanks for helping me compare these numbers, these 2-digit numbers.